Good morning, children. How are you all? So hope you enjoyed your holiday yesterday. So along. So hope you are doing well, right? Okay, shall we start today's session with news? I have said many times to you. So are you all ready? Yeah, Mary, I'm fine, ma'am. Good. Asanta, okay. So news reading, today's news. Anybody is ready with that? So no need to follow the pattern and everything. Whatever you have heard, you can share with us. Whatever you have heard, So morning you might have heard many things during the journey at the home. You might have read the newspaper or watched TV. So any one news. Actually, it should be a regular process here, but nobody is coming with that. Any news, whatever you have heard. Yeah, may I know who is that? If there is no name, nothing. May I know who is? Who is this? Any news tell me, Rose, మీరు విన్నది ఏ న్యూస్ అయినా while you're coming to school, so when you're coming to college. సో ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా షేర్ చేయొచ్చు. Yeah, Redmi Note 9 Pro. Okay. So think about the news, whatever you have heard today. దాని గురించి ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. చందు raised hand. Chandu, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Chandu.
Ma'am, today's news is in Mumbai, the new COVID-19 cases are arrived, ma'am. 90 new COVID-19 cases, ma'am. 90 new COVID cases are arrived in Mumbai, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Chandu.
Another one is
yes.
Our CMs are giving a sanitizer napkins to who are studying in school and colleges, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Chandu. Yes. This is the time that COVID-19 cases are again increasing more.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we should take care. Thank you, Chandu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. And today's topic is paragraph writing. So we discussed. So have you all remembered that I asked it? Have given you a task that is write a letter to your friend inviting him to your home for summer vacation. So do you all remember that? Has anybody tried? Has anybody tried? Has anybody tried that? So I'll ask, so I said I may ask any one session. And so those who has not written, you just think of it. So today's topic is paragraph writing. So what is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? Has anybody any idea about what is a paragraph? So you are writing, right? So in the exam, you have given a question to write a paragraph, you are writing. So do you have any idea regarding that? Paragraph ante enti? Has anybody any idea about paragraph? You just respond either yes or no. So is my voice not audible? Is my voice not audible? Yeah, I'll type in the chat box. Is my voice not audible? So yes means you can hear this one, right? So you responded yes means, wait, I'm in the class. So you responded yes means that you have heard my voice, right? Vasanta, when I asked you, is my voice not audible? You said yes. This is not clarity. Means, అమ్మ మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎవరికి వినిపించట్లేదా? GJC Madhurwada, I can unmute yourself, raise your hand. So GJC Madhurwada.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
What is a paragraph?
Yes, what is a paragraph?
Paragraph means a group of words with a meaningful sentence, madam. The particular
Yes.
idea.
With a
Main
particular
idea.
idea. Yes, yes.
Supporting
Yes.
of group meaningful sentences, madam.
Yes. Thank you. May I know your name?
Sairam, madam.
So, which group you are studying?
CEC, madam.
CEC.
Yes, madam.
Very good, Sairam.
Thank you,
Very
madam.
good, Sairam, for your initiation. Claps to you also. Yeah, I'm
Thank you.
appreciating you for your initiation. Thank you, Sairam.
Thank you, madam.
So, paragraph is arising of meaningful sentences
Meaningful
on
sentence.
a particular meaning, on a particular idea.
Topic of
Right.
topic
Fine.
that is.
Yes, yes, topic, whatever it may be. We are elaborating that topic, right? Yes, thank you. We elaborate that topic. Thank you, Sairam.
Thank you, madam. Have a good day, madam.
Thank you. Have a good day to you too. Okay, Sairam, please be in mute. Thank you for your response. Yes. Yes. So he said he has given us what is the definition of paragraph in a simple word, that is the definition. So paragraph is nothing but arranging of meaningful sentences in an order on a particular topic or on a particular idea. So how can we arrange them? So arrangement, we know that, but how can we arrange them? So for any process, we have an arrangement. So how can we arrange them? Means first we arrange, we'll give the introduction of the topic. That is nothing but the beginning of the topic. And next we will give all the, we will elaborate that one. And next, at last we'll give a conclusion on that, right? So any basic arrangement of any paragraph is the beginning, the continuation, and the conclusion. The thing is beginning, continuation, and the conclusion. So these are the three things should be in any paragraph writing. So it is not only for the paragraph, whatever the procedure we write, like essay writing also the same. And for the story, whatever it may be, for everything we have a beginning, continuation, and other conclusion. Right. So this is about paragraph. So the thing is here, what is the difference between, so all the three things, so whatever the writing or speaking, we have a beginning, continuation, and the conclusion, right? So essay writing could have same. We have so how these two are different? Essay writing anna kuda manam ilage rastam kada. Essay writing kuda ilage rastam. What is the difference? Okay, GJC Madhurwada. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
The difference between essay writing and paragraph means essay writing is a long writing, madam, and paragraph means a short and meaningful, madam.
Long.
With a main content.
Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sairam, again for your initiation. Yes, the difference between essay writing and paragraph or, see, paragraph is, essays might be a long one and paragraph is within the para. Or paragraph and oka paragraph lo manam I mean short note. It is a short note, not too short, but it is a short note when we compare to essay writing. Yes, you're right. And yes, this is about paragraph writing. Okay, we have different kinds of paragraphs. We have different kinds of paragraph. So on the basis of the topic and how we write, on these things we have different types of paragraphs. That is narrative style and explaining about something, and a topic is center ga cheskoni cheppadam, and we have current issues meer cheppam. We have these types in paragraphs. So shall we try once? So what is the, shall we try on a current issue? Okay, paragraph try chedam andaram. Okay. What is the current issue we'll take now? So COVID-19, we are facing this problem again. The cases are improving more these days, and we are witnessing that every day we are, yeah, Santosh. Okay. So we have witnessed many cases these days. So in this time, how can we protect ourselves and how can we create awareness? So we will discuss on these things now. Okay. So whatever the lines you know about COVID-19. So COVID-19 gurinchi, write a paragraph here. So think, you write anything, precautions write you, how it spreads write you, and how it means what are the symptoms and the altogether then you can write. But the thing is you have to write in English. So arrange the words. I'm not asking you to arrange a perfect meaningful, but give your ideas. So all of you, please write a paragraph on COVID-19. COVID-19 guరించి మీకు తెలిసినది రాయండి. I'll give you how much time you need to write a short paragraph. Is my voice not audible to everyone? Yes, but you are, might be you are not in a signal area. Once you check your network. Check your network strength, ma Yogita. Once let me check. So I'll give you time. I'll give you time till 7 minutes or 8 minutes time. Write a paragraph on COVID-19. Me ideas ni meer arrange cheyandi. So I want everybody's participation in this. So remember that while writing the paragraph, there should be a beginning or an introduction, and next a continuation and the conclusion. In the conclusion, you can give your opinion also. Okay. All of you, please turn on your cameras. Please turn on your cameras. Please, all of you, turn on your cameras, please. All of you, please turn on your cameras. Yes, you have all turned on your cameras. Now, I'll give you time 9 till 9:45. So please arrange, put your ideas on the paper. ఈసారి నేను హ్యాండ్ రేస్ చేసిన కాకుండా ఎవరినైనా అడుగుతాను. So I may ask anyone to give you their ideas. నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం అడుగుతున్నానంటే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు రైట్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లేకపోతే రిచ్ వొకాబులరీ అడగట్లేదు. You just put your ideas on the paper. Put your ideas on the paper. However you know. So you all should do this. You all should do this. So ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఇష్యూని ఇంకా చెప్పానంటే you can get ideas easily and I can give anything but no. So put your ideas on the paper. I'll give you time till 9:45. So the topic is very easy for you. So all of you put your ideas on the paper. So నేను ఇప్పుడే క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నాను. I may ask anyone to answer this question. A very easy task to you all. everyone should take part in this. I'm watching you all. Don't turn off your cameras. Please turn on your cameras, all of you. All of you, please turn on your cameras. All of you, please turn on your cameras. I just want to see you how many of you are trying this. So we have 1 more minute. I asked you to turn on the cameras. Only few turned on. What about others? So, okay. Have you all completed the task? Have you all completed the task? Yeah, okay. Let me see how many of you are ready with your ideas. GJC Nakapalli raised hand. May I know why? Yeah, unmute yourself, GJC Nakapalli.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Happy Women's Day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Madam, I explain
Thank
the
you.
Corona
Yes.
paragraph.
First thing is tell your name first. Your name.
My name is Rajeshwari. I'm studying in second IPC, ma'am.
Yes. So you're from GJC Nakapalli, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can continue.
Coronavirus is dangerous. It
Yes.
it kills of suffering all human thought of the world. It corona from small street from China. Corona spreads all around the world. In Andhra, this first case in month 2 March. Due to the virus, India looked down for 3 months. These 3 months, India from different secret sectors lost. Even schools or college, university are also declared holiday due COVID-19. Examination also cancelled in all states. Today it will decrease the cases little. Our Indian medical company invented corona vaccine. Recently, our PM sir and present also take vaccination, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. But what I said, there should be a beginning. So what is coronavirus? You can give the definition for that. And at last, you can say that a conclusion must be. Conclusion means, so it is very dangerous. As it is very dangerous, you can take precautions, or you can improve your immunity and good habits. So at last, you have to add your own views also. Like, so
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is so that, so advantages or disadvantages, whatever we say, at last we have to give our opinion also as a conclusion. Thank you very much, and
Thank
I'm
you,
very
ma'am.
happy for your initiation. Claps to you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you. And we have to raising hands. Yeah, Yogita VGJC. Unmute yourself, Yogita. So GJC Nakapalli, please be in mute.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bindu Madhavi. Are you Bindu Madhavi? Bindu Madhavi. Ma, there's noise.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah. There's no. అంటే అక్కడ నీ దగ్గర చాలా noise వస్తుంది. Can you come from there? Yeah, Yogita, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is P. Bindu Madhavi.
Bindu Madhavi, yes, good morning.
Happy Women's Day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Today I stand here to share my views about corona updates, ma'am.
Yes.
Today most of the people face these problems of corona, ma'am. Some people are dying, some people are acute stage of the corona, ma'am. Corona leads to so many losses for the businessman, ma'am. Doctors, police, and GVMC cleaners are helpful to us, ma'am. To us. So many students wanted to get rid of from the corona, ma'am. Doctors and police are so hard work and helpful to great.
Yes, continue, Bindu Madhavi. Thank you, but you maybe signal issues are there, I think so. I can't hear you clearly, but you have continued. Yeah. Thank you, Bindu. Okay. Thank you, Bindu Madhavi. And we have more raising hands. GJC Madhurwada. Okay, unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, GJC Madhurwada. So who are going to speak about this? Hi.
Paragraph about COVID-19, madam.
Yes.
Coronavirus disease that discovered has been COVID-19 2020. Is affected throughout the world. The virus passed from mid to moderate area of the respiratory system, madam. You have to face it with our immunity power. Before the all are
Please.
facing in it, madam.
Hello. Continue. Sorry. Yes.
COVID-19 disease, along with 1 year, we are struggled from the for the corona vaccine, madam. After that vaccine we have got in there. Before the vaccine, the economically throughout the world are destroyed in economical growth sector. The all are facing it mainly affected, madam. The present throughout the world recovering for their economy system. And the precautions for the COVID-19 you are taking masks and sanitizer and improve our health immunity power boost. It's it.
Okay.
It's it.
Okay, thank you, Sai. And if I have observed here, when I asked you to say about COVID-19, BIPC students said about the that virus details they have given, how it spread, and what are the problems we face regarding that. And as you are from CEC, you have concentrated on the economy on these things. Yes. It gives it tells about the influence of our group and our thinking. Yes, it is there. Yes, it is there. So the thing is, for every concept we have different angles, right? So whatever the angle we take, we can write. There is no restriction that you have to tell about this only, but so you can build up your ideas like this. Very good, Sai.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, and claps to you all the participants now who has given their ideas on this, and we have more participants also, and yeah, we have Chandu. Unmute yourself, Chandu. Somebody's
Good morning.
Chandu. Good morning.
Today's topic about coronavirus, ma'am.
Yes, Chandu.
Corona disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus, ma'am.
Yes.
Most of the people infected with corona, that means COVID-19, ma'am.
Yes.
It experienced moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment, ma'am. Medical definition of coronavirus is a type of common virus that infects human, animals, etc., ma'am. From that, the vaccine is also came, ma'am. To go through that coronavirus, you have to use masks, sanitizers, etc., ma'am. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, ma'am.
Thank you, Chandu. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have another raising hand. Vasanta GJC Nakapalli. Yeah, okay. Vasanta. Vasanta, access has been given to you, Vasanta. You can unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ravani. Good morning, ma'am. Vasanta GJC Nakapalli. Ma'am.
Yeah, yes, continue with that.
COVID-19, ma'am.
Yes, whatever you know, you don't take any promptings. Whatever you know, you have already know about the precautions, right?
Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. The best way to prevent is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus. Protect
Yes.
yourself and others to calm infection by washing your hands or
Uh,
using alcohol-based rub frequently and not touching your face.
yes. So why I have given this topic is you have already have an information regarding this, right? So that you can put them in your own words. So don't take the help of anyone and try to speak with your own words. Okay. Thank you, Vasanta. And we have another raising hands also. And we Navya Pratyusha. Navya
Good morning,
Pratyusha.
ma'am.
Good morning, Navya
My
Pratyusha.
name is Navya. I'm from
Sure.
District Girls Vishakhapatnam.
Yes, yes.
The disease spread from the China is a COVID-19. It is a virus. The all-over impact of COVID-19. The disease started by the novel coronavirus. The symptoms of COVID-19 is cold, cough, and heavy fever, difficulty in breathing. The coronavirus is most affected the respiratory system. And when it is severe, it leads to death also. In COVID patients, the doctors are more helpful to us and also policy. It is very dangerous to us. So we take some precautions like wash your hands regularly with sanitizer, wash your clothes regularly, and wear mask. Keep social distances. Take healthy food to improve immunity power. Thank you.
Thank you, Navya Pratyusha.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is about a small paragraph construction, and so today is Women's Day, right? Today is Women's Day, right? So for tomorrow's task, I'm giving you. So already I have assigned a task on letter writing, and this also tomorrow I'll ask. The task is that as today is Women's Day, we are celebrating this everything. So what are the responsibilities of a man and woman towards the development of society? The topic is, what is the responsibility of a man and a woman towards the development of a society? So women responsibility, men responsibility, both you have to say. So I'm typing in the chat box also. Write a paragraph on the responsibilities of man and woman towards the development of society. Listen, this is the paragraph. It is very interesting. I think that everyone will do this. So I have typed in the chat bags also. Look at that, all of you. Write a paragraph on the responsibilities of men and women towards the development of the society. So it is a very interesting topic. Everyone should take part in this. So whatever you feel, you can speak. And you have given enough time also. You can jot down the points, whatever you know, and you can make a paragraph on it. So listen, everyone, you have to do this task. That is, write a paragraph on the responsibilities of man and woman towards the development of the society. And along with this, that letter also, both you should complete by tomorrow. Have you all seen that question typed in the chat box? Please have a look on it. All of you, please. So that is yes. Yeah, instead of good morning, happy Women's Day, everything. Instead of all these good mornings and happy Women's Days, please look at the question which I have typed in the chat box. So all of you give your thumbs up if you have seen this question. Those who have seen this question, please give your thumbs up. So question evaru chudleda? So what I have typed in the chat box, and also I am repeating that question. Yes, Chandu has given his thumbs up. Yeah, you can give, it is on the screen. The question is, write a paragraph on the responsibilities of men and women towards the development of society. So only Chandu has seen that one, right? What about the others? Mamita, evaru chudleda question ni? Kusuma and I don't know whether you have seen or not, but you have to answer this. I'm repeating that question. Write a paragraph on. Yeah, we have still hands. So write a paragraph on the responsibilities of men and women towards the development of the society. So everyone should work on it. At least 5 to 10 points. If you write more than that, it's good. Otherwise, at least 5 to 10 points. Everyone should work on it. And along with that letter also. Now, whenever I have given assigned any task, you do that. It is also a practice. It is also a practice. Please do it. Question, Abhilash. The question is, write a paragraph. Yeah, I'm pasting that again. The question is, write a paragraph on the responsibilities of men and women towards the development of the society. Write a paragraph on the responsibilities of men and women towards the development of the society. So as we observed before, when I asked you to write a paragraph on COVID-19, so the students have different ideas. Like the students from BIPC said about the disease and its symptoms and everything. When coming to CC students, they discussed about the economic loss of the countries, everything. So you have different aspects on every topic, right? So on this topic also, you might have different aspects like this. I'm not insisting you to write only in this aspect. You can write on any aspect, but you have to work on it. Okay, everyone must do this. Okay, thank you, children. Ma'am is waiting for your participation, and don't forget to complete this task as it is a practice to you. So that letter and this also, you have to finish it. Madam Jai Monica, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you can continue your session, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Jai Monica, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Happy Women's Day. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Wish you the same, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope had a great weekend yesterday. And you actively participated in the Viva, I suppose, Saturday. And a good note to hear from all of you in the Viva sessions. Okay, coming back to the session, shall we start with a new topic today? Shall we get into the new topic? Yeah. In the previous topic, we were discussing about the family. Is it not? What are our responsibilities? How our parents take care of us, and what we have to do in return to the family. So I have a question to you. Who is interested to answer to my question? You can just raise your hands. Okay. You may have some problem. You are in the teens, right? Is it not? You may face some problem, maybe in the college or in the neighborhood or in the family or whatever it may be. First of all, whom do you like to share apart from your family members? మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ కాకుండా వెంటనే మీకు తట్టే వాళ్ళు ఎవరికి షేర్ చేసుకోవాలనిపిస్తుంది? ఎవరితో మీరు మీ బాధలు, ఎమోషన్స్, మీ ఫీలింగ్స్, మీ కష్టాలు పంచుకోవాలనుకుంటారు? Let me see who is good for. Yeah, Asha, you are given